Oh my, y'all, I know it's been a while, but I have been so busy. But oh my gosh, hey everyone, I missed y'all so much. I plan to drop more videos. I just had to get my life after that surgery. The past few months I have been so busy, so y'all know I had the surgery. If you don't know, I did post a video about that, so go watch it. It was the last video I posted before this one. And I also moved into my new location. My clients have been loving my new space. It's such an upgrade from where I came from. I was in a suite with other businesses. Now I have my own building, like own bathroom, own everything, own waiting area. I don't have to deal with sharing my common areas with no one. And I just love it. So if you follow me on Instagram at NUDEWAXAndHAIRBAR, you can see more of my business and a little bit of personal life. I post before and after pictures because I do this every single day, y'all. My books are booked constantly, at least 4 weeks, like out. I had to stop opening up my books so far in advance because I would get first time guests and they'll be like, so when am I supposed to come back for, my next wax? And I'm like, in 4 weeks, but I'm booked for the next 6 weeks. So they were like, huh? Or, that makes it wasn't good for my business because I couldn't keep them up with their wax every 4 weeks. So I started doing my books a little different. Now I open them about the 3rd week of the previous month. I hope I'm saying that right. For example, if it was September 1st, which tomorrow is September 1st, I won't open October books until around September 20th, September 21st. That gives everybody a fair chance to book for the next month versus being booked up for 6 to 8 weeks out. I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. So basically, I'm booked right now in real life, September 1st through September 30th or 31st, however many days there is in September. And then I won't open up October books until about 3 weeks in this month, so around the 20th or 21st. And yeah, if y'all go on my page, y'all can see before and after pictures. My clients have real good results after receiving these facials from me. Their skin improves a ton after getting these extractions. And also, when I do these facials, I use handmade products. Me and my mom literally perfected my body scrub. We literally perfected my ingrown hair. Well, I think I did the ingrown hair elixir by myself, but as far as the body scrub, my mom actually mixes it for me, and I just pay her because she helped me with my products because I have a lot on my hand. But I believe that my products is why I have such huge results with my facials. So many people ask me to ship my products out, and honestly, the only thing that's holding me back from shipping it is just the right packaging and labels and just time. I really just need more time, or maybe I need a team. I did hire my sister as my receptionist at my new building, but I need a product team, a production team. I need a team, if you know what I mean. It's literally 12:14 a.m. and I thought about y'all because I been made this video. Not been, but about a week ago. I just never got to the voiceover. I said, let me go in this bathroom and record this voiceover while my babies and everyone is asleep. Did y'all see that? Look at that. It's rolled up in there like a ball of hair, literally just rolled in. And when I remove this, it gives them so much relief. Like, they be like, it's like a moment. Oh, I forgot to talk to y'all about my grand opening. So yeah, my grand opening was August 19th. It's currently September 1st while I'm on this video recording. But it went so well, y'all. I did a special. I did a couple of drawings. I gave away some door prizes. And it was just fun. We had good food, music, and mimosas. And I really enjoyed myself. I'm really proud of myself too, y'all. Because this was not planned. I did not plan to be a wax specialist dash ingrown hair mega extractor. I really love what I do though. It's just like these videos give y'all some type of relief, or they put y'all to sleep, or just, I don't know what to call it, but that's how my job is for me. It's a blessing to be able to go to work and do something you enjoy, to do. Y'all, I cannot believe I forgot to block my books off for my daughter's birthday. One of my babies' birthday is 9/19/18, and the other one is 9/13/14. So both of their birthdays are coming up like in 2 weeks. And I forgot to close my books off. So I wanted to do like a 3 or 4 day vacation around their birthdays, but unfortunately I did not block off enough time, so I may just throw them like a little slip and slide pool party at my mom's house or something like that. I know they'll enjoy that. And then it's outdoors too, with all the COVID-19 stuff that's going on. Being outdoors, it's less likely that you'll be in contact with everyone with some germs, I guess. I am so tired, and I have work in the morning. I don't know why I'm up, but I'm really just trying to finish this voiceover. I believe I did put some before and after pictures at the end of this video. If I didn't, I apologize. Maybe that's another video I was working on. Right now, I can't really remember because, like I said, I am tired. But if I did, they'll be, towards the ending. And thank all of y'all for subscribing and watching my videos, thumbs up, being my videos, all of the nice comments. Thank everyone. I've been a little busy, so I haven't responded to all of y'all, but I appreciate y'all, and I hope that y'all are getting blessings and that y'all life is going great, and that God is blessing y'all and y'all's families. And I hope that y'all just happy and living y'all best life, because a lot happened this year for the world, period. And it's just like everybody just need like a big hug. So I'm hugging all y'all right now through this phone. And blow y'all some kisses. So yeah, this video is coming to an end. Yay, laugh a lot. But follow me on my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube name, NUDEWAXANDHAIRBAR. And let me know when y'all coming from YouTube. Write me, DM me. Hey, I'm a subscriber. Da 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 da. So I can message y'all back and see who I'm getting from my YouTube. I'm about to wrap it up and get me a couple hours of sleep. Oh, I did put a couple before and afters on here. Oh, that's the steam from my vajacial service that I do. See, she had a lot of bumps. And this is her, the bottom picture is her skin now. This girl also had a lot on her bikini line. And on the right, you can see that it has cleared up some.